Using macros to handle support in less time is a game changer. If you're tired of answering repetitive support queries or feel overwhelmed by high volume tickets, stick around to learn how to automate these tasks with macros and save you hours every week. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and use macros to streamline your support workflow, whether you're in a customer service role or just trying to increase your productivity. Let's jump right in. Macros are essentially preset responses or actions that can be triggered with just a few clicks. This means that instead of typing out responses to frequent questions or carrying out the same repetitive actions over and over, you can create a macro that does it for you. The best part? You'll be able to handle more support tickets in less time and with greater consistency. Now, first things first, how do you set up macros? Most support systems offer a simple interface for creating them. Start by identifying the most common questions or issues that you deal with daily. These could be things like resetting passwords, troubleshooting simple technical issues, or answering frequent product inquiries. Once you've identified those, create a macro for each one. When creating a macro, make sure it's as detailed as possible. Include all the necessary information in your response so that it's ready to go at a moment's notice. This can include things like links to helpful resources or step-by-step instructions. You don't want to leave any details out. This is about making your workflow faster and more efficient. The next step is assigning your macros to specific keywords or actions. When a support ticket comes in, you can either search for keywords in the ticket or set up an automation that will trigger the macro based on the content of the inquiry. This ensures that the right macro is sent out quickly without you needing to do much more than hit a button. But how do you use macros effectively? It's all about consistency. Whenever a customer reaches out with an issue you've already addressed countless times before, it's time to pull out a macro. You'll find that with macros, your response time improves drastically, and you can handle more tickets with less effort. This software we're using today offers you everything you need to set up these macros quickly. And if you want to follow along, I'm offering you an exclusive free trial. You can find the link in the description below. This trial is only available for viewers of this channel, so make sure you take advantage of it. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Not only do macros save you time, but they also help maintain consistency across your team. Everyone on your support team will have access to the same responses and steps, making sure there's no confusion when handling customers. The more you use macros, the more efficient your entire support process becomes. One key thing to remember is that macros aren't meant to replace personalized service, but to handle repetitive tasks. Use them to free up your time for more complex issues that truly require human attention. To wrap things up, here's the key takeaway. Macros are a powerful tool to handle support in less time, and setting them up is easier than you think. Identify the most common queries, create detailed responses, and assign them to triggers. You'll immediately start seeing results in response times and productivity. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we're using today in the description below. It's a great way to get started and see how macros can transform your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.